Okay, so hi dear Leo, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of October 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start, Leo. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have. We have the Temperance, the Ace of Wands, the World card. Bottom of the deck is the Magician. So some kind of manifestation is right now also going on. Maybe not on a conscious level, but there is some kind of what we call that desire that you guys want to have out of this situation. Maybe you guys are not consciously manifesting anything here, but you are like there's something hidden here, there's something not hidden, maybe not conscious, you guys are not consciously aware of that energy. Okay, on a conscious level we have the Temperance and the Ace of Wands and the World card. So you guys are waiting very patiently for the time when you guys will be having a brand new beginning and ending one cycle, one chapter out of this situation, out of this connection. Okay, for most of you this situation is somewhere in between, about to end and still going on. Hmm. So both of you are very patiently waiting for the time when you guys will be able to have this completion of cycle properly in this direction and have a brand new beginning in your individual lives. For only for few of you, you guys want to have this connection back in your life and have this brand new beginning with this with the same person only. But for most of you, it's all about you guys trying to finish this unfinished business slowly but surely and moving forward towards a totally new direction, new chapter. So the mutual energy here is of having a brand new beginning in your individual lives. And the lesson for both of you here is that slow and steady is going to make you guys go wherever you want to go. It's not going to be an easy, breezy process. It's going to be time consuming, energy consuming, and it's going to be slow for sure. That you guys have to take care of. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so you guys are looking forward to have a totally brand new energy in your life. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Leo. Three of Swords. Okay, there is a lot of pain in in this person's heart. They are heartbroken. There is some kind of issue that's bothering them. Maybe this breakup or the separation or things not working out kind of a thing is like making them very very sad and depressed from inside. Although they are trying to move on, but they are very heartbroken. Let's clarify the Three of Swords here. We have the World card, the Tower, and the Ace of Pentacles. What is happening here? It's like a sudden and rude awakening. Okay, there was a breakup, there was a separation, there was an ugly breakup, I think, or ugly separation between you guys, and it happened when you guys were least expecting it to happen, and or the way it happened, it shook their energy from the core. And now this person is feeling like having a brand new beginning in this direction with a very stable, mature, and grounded energy. This person is feeling like having this with you only. Hmm. They feel like having another shot, another chance in this situation because they are completely heartbroken over the fact that this situation ended on a very ugly note, or the way it ended, it surely made them heartbroken, and they're just trying to process this heartbreak and pain. Okay, this is difficult. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Seven of Cups. So, from your side, you feel like you are trying every possible way in your life to not to think about this situation. For some of you, you feel like keeping your options open and moving forward in your life, and trying to figure out which one is the best option for you or what you should do in order to be grounded and happy. And for others of you, it's like you are trying every possible way on this planet to distract yourself from this situation so that you don't have to think about it at all. Let's clarify this Seven of Cups. We have the Death card, the Empress, and the Three of Pentacles. You know, you feel like there's no growth and expansion left in this situation whatsoever, whatever situation you are still energetically connected to. And you feel like moving towards those collaborations, partnerships, or situations where you are going to have something good in return. For most of you, you are very focused on your job, career, and finances, not very much focused on your love and relationship area right now. Okay, Leo. So you are trying all the possible ways on this planet Earth to have those collaboration or partnerships in your life that is going to give you something good in return. And you feel like this situation between you and this particular person is not going anywhere. So what's the use of going in this direction or thinking about it at all? Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? They are actually heartbroken and kind of shocked that they still feel for you. My goodness. And you are kind of being very, very practical here and trying to distract yourself a lot. Let's see their intentions here, Leo. Ten of Wands. Their intention here is to drop this burdensome and heavy energy and move forward. Obviously, nobody wants to suffer, nobody wants to feel the pain, nobody wants to get shocked like this. So they want to drop this burdensome and heavy energy and move forward. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Wands. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Yeah, this person just want to get out of this miserable life of theirs. Life of theirs. They just want to patiently wait for the time when their self-love affirmation, self-love, self-healing, self-care is going to start working out in their favor, when they will be able to detach from the situation completely, and when they will be able to heal themselves properly. So this person wants to drop this heavy and burdensome energy and heal themselves properly so that they can move forward in their life. Right now they are so stuck, they can't even think about moving forward. It's very, very hard for them to move forward in their life, but their intention is super clear that they want to move forward. They want to drop this burdensome and heavy energy and detach themselves completely from it and heal properly. Okay, they're waiting for the time. They just want to wait for the time when things will start moving in their favor. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? We have the Three of Cups. So from your side, do you feel like having collaborations, partnerships, and celebrations, and connecting with those people, or maybe group of people or friends? Right now, you just want to keep yourself in a light-hearted and socially active kind of energy, right? So that you don't have to think about it. You are continuously avoiding thinking or feeling about this situation. Let me clarify the Three of Cups here. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and Page of Wands, right? You feel you just want to put in the effort and energy from your side in creating those kind of bonds, friendships, and connections that is going to give you a light-hearted energy, that is going to make you feel alive again and hopeful again. And you just want to have this energy of remaining connected with your inner child and spreading happiness all over the all spreading happiness everywhere. Okay, so basically you just want to be in the light-hearted kind of energy, be like a social butterfly, putting in the effort and energy in making bonds and connections and friendships and partnerships that is going to give you something really beautiful and good in return. Okay, that's your intention. You're not very focused on this connection or this bond anymore. You're like, I don't have time, I don't have energy, and I don't want to waste anything on this situation. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. I keep on saying that to you guys a lot, but a lot of people don't listen, right? Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 19th of October. Leo. We have the Lovers. It's like you guys are going to have a choice or a decision that you guys have to make in a particular situation. Let me clarify this in order to get the clear picture of the outcome here. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Sun card, and the Hanged Man. There are two people, two energies interested in you, and they are coming forward towards you. But it's like you are going to be stuck. You are not going to make any choice or decision. You are going to feel stuck, like which one you should go ahead with, or which one you should drop, or should you drop both of them, or should you try to consider both of them right now and see where things can go and then move forward. It's like this is going to be like a choice or decision that you guys have to make. It might be a choice between a past person that you are still energetically connected to and a new person, and or more than one person is going to be interested in you, Leo. It could be very much possible that somebody is interested in you and you are interested in somebody else. It's like a triangle kind of a thing, and you are going to be super confused about what you should do and what you should not do in that direction. Although it's going to make you feel amazing, it's going to make you feel very happy from inside, but at the same time you are going to find yourself in a very stuck energy, that what I should do and what I should not do. That is going to be a difficult to make kind of decision or choice. I think at the end of the day, you're going to choose to go ahead with your choice that you like. If you do, if you don't, I think you are going to stay connected with both of these energies and see where things can go. Hmm. As of now, you're not like in this mood of just by being yourself. You are just like a social butterfly this week and trying to figure out life, trying to live your life to the fullest and being happy about it. For you, the guidance here is a Hierophant. You know, your higher self is going to give you the right kind of signs of what you should do and what you should not do in a particular direction. If possible, take help from somebody who is mature enough and who is grown up enough, who can guide you in this direction and give you some solid advice. So there's no harm in taking advice from somebody who can actually help you to go through these kind of issues in your life. I don't see major issues, I don't see any conflicts, I don't see you being all sad and depressed and crying and all that. I don't see any one of these, but I do see you being in a stuck energy of what should I do or what should I not do. Then you can take help from somebody. And if you don't feel like taking help from somebody, you just have to connect with yourself and understand that if you are going to choose one energy, is it going to have that kind of background that you are coming from? Will they be able to understand your cultural background, your spiritual background? Will they be able to provide you the long term stability that you're looking forward to have? Or you should just drop the idea of being with anybody right now. That you have to figure out, Leo, before you're going to jump into any kind of conclusions. Okay. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. Okay. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question related to your love and relationship area 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to a question is choose a new direction. It means no. Choose a new direction means no. Right now, whatever you are planning to do or wherever you are planning to go, right now, that's not the right choice for you or the right direction for you. So choose the right direction. Choose a new direction, sorry. That's the answer for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.